Hello! Now that our file has been configured for adequate file protection, we'll move on to look at a quick demo of using the Define Venue workflow. The Define Venue workflow can be useful in the event that we want to provide a graphical representation of the facilities where the sound system will be utilized. This workflow can be safely ignored if this is not a requirement of the installation. Let's start by selecting the Define Venue workflow button. Notice that this will automatically reveal Room 1 in the venue workspace. All Audio Architect files must have at least one room for hardware to reside in. If we click on the Define Venue tab, we'll see various options for creating a building that contains multiple floors, options to create room combine objects, and editing options. In today's demo, we'll keep things simple. We'll use Room 1 to represent the space where the rack hardware will live, and we can add a second room to represent the space where our loudspeakers will actually live, providing audio playback. We can resize a room by expanding or contracting walls simply by grabbing onto one of the vertices in the middle of a wall. Corner vertices can be grabbed using your mouse to reshape the room. The room can also be reshaped by adding new vertices to the wall by double-clicking anywhere on the wall. Selecting the room will reveal the room properties where we can rename the room. In this case, let's change the name of Room 1 to AV Closet and Room 2 to Listening Space. Hit Enter for the name to take effect. We can also change parameters such as name color, label size, label positioning, room color, and button size. The button this is referring to will be automatically generated upon either adding devices to a room, associating an amp channel with a room, or assigning a panel to a room. It should also be noted that floor plan images may be added to be traced over by right-clicking in the background of the workspace and selecting New Frame Image. With the frame selected, click on the background image in the Properties window and import the desired image file. Any standard image files can be imported. The image is loaded into the venue workspace, ready for you to trace over with rooms. Use the grab handles to move and resize the image to fit your venue. Then simply add the appropriate shapes to the venue by dragging and dropping rooms as we saw earlier and recreate the building in the Audio Architect workspace. We'll just keep the two rooms we created earlier, and we can delete an image and unneeded rooms by selecting them with our mouse and hitting delete on our keyboard. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we'll cover the Add Devices workflow.